Hey, I'm Sean Fenniman of Allied Marine. I'd like to welcome you aboard an original owner 2004 57 Bertram with just under 2,000 hours on her C30 cats. She really represents the best of her breed, taken care of for the last 20 years by her original owner and her original captain. Roustabout was the first 57 Bertram built with C30 Caterpillars. These engines, with roughly 1,975 trouble-free hours on them, push Roustabout to a 31.5 knot cruise and a 36.5 knot top end. At 28.5 knots, she burns under 100 gallons an hour. Roustabout has the preferred 3-stateroom, 3-head layout. What's special though is instead of the centerline queen forward, she has an almost full to port and a crisscrossing bunk to starboard. This allows Roustabout to comfortably sleep 7 people aboard. In her galley, the Roustabout has 3 sets of refrigeration, 2 sets of Sub-Zero drawer refrigerators, and a single Sub-Zero freezer. Roustabout was built for her owner with 2 additional steps on the ladder to the flybridge to make it easier for him to climb and lengthen his boating career. On the bridge, you'll find her single lever controls, Bennett trim tab indicators, nice original Garmin 6000i GPS, Sfruno FRS 1100, and a 96-mile Simrad radar. We have recessed 4 pop-up cleats in the foredeck of Roustabout, so you could travel to the Bahamas with an inflatable on the bow. Roustabout has, of course, a reliable S&K water maker and an Eskimo ice machine. Hey, thanks for taking the time to take a look through Roustabout. If you have any additional questions, give me a shout.